If you're as dumb as I am, still playing this loud, clunky, red ring-ridden classic white console, you may notice a problem with the disc tray. Sometimes it won't even open when there is no disc inserted. As you can see, I'm pressing the open button, nothing's going on. You can see the tray is stuck. Lucky for you guys, I found a solution. That's right. This is the only time where beating up your video game will actually make it work. When somebody told me this on a forum, I thought they were joshing me. I thought I was getting trolled. I bet he or she was so mad that they hit their Xbox and unknowingly just discovered the solution to the disc tray opening. Look at this shit. It's like... Wait. I did something to fix it. Oh, never mind. It's back to the way it was. Oh, no, that time it worked. Nice. Damn, that's nice. Oh, it doesn't sound good up there, though. Huh. Well, sometimes it works. Well, it's a semi-permanent fix. Doesn't fix it completely, but, you know, just give it a few more clicks. Maybe it'll work. Then, you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do.